Using mobile apps for route finding is very common for most of us. However, this app with touchscreen are not specially made for the visually impaired people. The visually impaired use their smartphone by voiceover, which is an iOS accessibility function that reads out every single word and movement on the screen. After research, we found it's a big trouble for them to go somewhere unfamiliar. First, you can imagine how much time they spend and how many different apps they use just to search for simple information. And when they are actually on the road, they have to rely on orientation and mobility skill to walk, but none of the current navigation apps provide relevant information. Not to mention the app itself always comes with a bad information display, an unfriendly interaction designed for visually impaired users. All of these lead to a very frustrating navigation experience. Nowadays, there are 246 million visually impaired people all over the world. A tremendous demand for independence and mobility remains unsolved. BlindNavi is a navigation app specially designed for the visually impaired people. With BlindNavi, you can search for phone numbers and address, navigate yourself while traveling, and share your walking experience with friends. And the overall design of BlindNavi include app structure, interface, and the interaction are based on voiceover. Okay, now let me tell you more about this through the story of Yvonne. Today, Yvonne is going to meet her friend at a cafe she had never been before. She opens BlindNavi to search for the address and the phone number of this shop. In the searching process, every text field is pre-filled with search history or Yvonne's favorite places. All she has to do is to choose or modify. No more tedious typing for Yvonne. And then, BlindNavi helps her plan the routes and provides several transportation choices. In order to lower the chance Yvonne gets lost on a complex interface while she's browsing, we designed our app by using list view structure, which is flat and easy to navigate. And the journey begins. During the trip, whenever Yvonne feels insecure or lost, she can simply check the phone to check her current location, point of interest nearby, and the public transportation around her. Yvonne will get a notification message whenever she walks by a store, traffic lights, corner, or a lane entrance, and these navigation messages are written with the motor sensory cues, which is in line with how blind people remember routes. We modularize each navigation message with 3 parts: the action to take, what is around, and the next thing to do. It's proven to be the best order for visually impaired people. Upon arriving at the cafe, BlindNavi records the routes Yvonne has walked today. She can easily share the enjoyable journey with her friends, or save it for the second visit. BlindNavi provides a better navigation service for visually impaired. In order to make our user feel confident and safe while walking, not only we turn the routes into a 1D linear process, but also improve the walking experience by integrating the knowledge they learn from orientation and mobility training. By providing user a good understanding of surroundings, we use a micro-location data to improve the independence and mobility for our users. Last but not least, BlindNavi is not just a navigation app, but also an experience of walking on the street with sight.